Good morning, students. Today we are going to play with sound words. An, at, am. First activity is there. Shout out sound words according to the sound. Here is a help box. Read all words with me. Can, C-A-N, can. J-A-M, jam. T-H-A-T, that. M-A-N, man. D-A-M, dam. A-N-D, and. F-A-T, fat. Once again, can, jam, that, man, dam, and fat. Arrange all words and keep on a right place. Yes, that and fat. Place of fat. Yes. Second, can and man. Good. Place of an. Jam, dam. Place of am. Good work. Second activity is there. Picture riddle. Picture riddles. What is the first letter of ball? Yes, B. B is the first letter of ball. And new word is B-A-T, bat. Good. What is the first letter of flower? Yes, F. F-A-N, fan. And last, what is the first letter of clock? Yes, C. C-A-M, cam. Good. Bat, fan, cam. Good. Today's homework is solve this picture riddle.